second semester freshman year taking Gen Chem, I actually failed my first exam. Going into the second one, I utilized the Academic Success Center in office hours and ended up making a 100. Now, that's not always realistic, but it just goes to show how far that our tools at NC State go in terms of studying and helping to better you as a student. It sounds cliche, but my favorite quote is a failure to plan is planning to fail. Whether it's been sticky notes on my computer or sheets of paper mapping out my summer, I found that a key contributor to my success is to plan. In terms of studying, I normally block off about 2 hours in my schedule and I do a 30-minute method where I give each subject just 30 minutes. I know burnout is really common, and switching off subjects after 30 minutes has really helped alleviate that.
I wish I had known not only how many pre-veterinary resources there are, but I wish I would have actually used them when I was supposed to. Things like different networking events hosted by CALS, but also the pre-vet networking event in January, and as well as like the animal education units and all the volunteer opportunities that you can get there. I just was really confused when I first started out, and I wish I would have actually been able to use those to put myself on the right track early on. And especially, I wish I would have talked to Dr. Trevetti and used her advising appointment early on to see and get some reassurance that I was on the right path. We all hear this a lot as pre-vet students, but really don't compare yourself to your peers. I really struggled with this as a freshman because you hear about all these people with thousands of hours of experience, and it's just not realistic for everybody. Your pre-vet experience is very unique to you, and that uniqueness is what's going to get you into vet school, not necessarily having the most hours out of everybody. I think this definitely depends on you as an individual, but in my experience, I already had 3 years of being a kennel technician under my belt whenever I came into college, so I felt a little bit more comfortable taking that first semester to really focus on my study habits and focusing on my classes so that I could build kind of a base for my GPA that I could work off of later. And then I slowly started adding experiences onto that so that I didn't overwhelm myself. But once again, it definitely depends on you and what you think you can handle.